Hello everybody. In this video, I will show you how to install Figma plugins, extend your workflow. Let's face it, whether you're just starting with Figma or are a seasoned designer, enhancing your workflow can make a world of difference. Figma plugins are essential tools that can significantly streamline your design process, offering capabilities beyond the native features of the platform. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well-versed in locating, installing, and utilizing Figma plugins to enhance your design projects effortlessly. With everything laid out clearly, there won't be any guesswork involved. So, without further ado, let's dive into the process. To kick things off, open up Figma and ensure you're logged into your account. You can choose to use the desktop application or simply work through the web version in your browser. Both options function identically for this process. Figma plugins act like bonus tools, providing additional functionalities that can make your work not only faster, but also more creative. But before you can take advantage of these tools, you need to know where to find them. Once you're inside Figma, direct your attention to the bottom of the left sidebar. Here, you'll spot an option labeled Actions. Click on it. It's worth noting that features located at the bottom of an app can sometimes feel a bit hidden, but this is exactly where Figma stores all its extra features, including plugins and widgets. Think of the Actions section as a sort of secret passageway to all the additional features you might want to integrate into your Figma setup. After selecting Actions, look for the section named Plugins and Widgets. This is the primary hub for discovering anything you want to add to Figma. You'll notice a search bar right there. Click into this bar and start typing the name or category of the plugin you're interested in. Suppose you're seeking an icon plugin, a common necessity if you're designing interfaces and need a library of readily available icons. Just type icon and pause for a moment. You'll see a list materialize, showcasing numerous plugins related to icons, crafted by various creators. Each plugin typically provides a brief description and sometimes offers a rating or preview of its functionality. For those who are new to plugins, don't worry. Browsing through these options is an excellent way to discover handy tools you might not have realized you needed, such as color palette generators, lorem ipsum text fillers, or advanced alignment aids. When you find a plugin that seems valuable, click on it. A new window will pop up, providing more detailed information and occasionally screenshots or usage tips so you can confirm it's the right choice for you. At this point, you'll see a button that allows you to run or install the plugin, usually labeled Run or Install. Click that button, and Figma will handle the rest in the background. This installation step is almost instantaneous, but if it takes a few moments, just be patient. The plugin will be ready for use in your project shortly. Once installed, you can begin using it immediately. Some plugins might open a new window, display a panel, or offer new right-click menu options. If you ever decide to remove a plugin or explore others, simply repeat the steps I've outlined here. Figma makes the entire process straightforward and risk-free. And there you have it. You've just enhanced your Figma skills by incorporating a new plugin. Remember, plugins can be real time savers, acting as little assistants in your design workflow. They're designed to help with a variety of specialized tasks. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to install Figma plugins, extend your workflow, subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials.